This is October 18th. Zephyr playing in the backyard. 2012. Woo! What's he doing? Up? What happened? Here you go. Say hi. Wow, honey, you're not having much success here. Aww.
Ow!
Pick you up, okay. And tell us where the bunny went?
Bunny's hiding.
The bunny's hiding, okay. You like sitting down. Ha ha ha. You like to sit down. Take a break, that's right. Hey you, why don't you run a full circle without tripping? Good job. You sit down. Lay down. Oh, I gotta lay down. Get you, get you. Hi. Whoa. Okay, Zephyr. Whoa.
I want the tumbling leaves.
Okay. You want to tumble in leaves? Hey, what are you doing that for? All right, say bye-bye.
No, more.
More?
More.
You funny girl. Show them how you climb up the ladder. Yeah, that one's really high. And climb up the high side first. Good job. Watch your head. Oops. Watch your head. Show them how you put your tummy on the swing and go.
It slips away.
It slips away.
And then I get out like that.
How about we do the slide one more time? Yay! Do the slide. Are you in there? Are you in there? Say hi. Hi. You. There you are. There you go. Yes, lovely day. It's now time to fix some apples. Whoa!
An apple.
Okay, we'll get one in a minute.
I'm done.
Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah,
An apple.
okay, bye-bye.